Now we're going to do the soft dough, the very oily dough. We're going to take the 4 cups of flour and the 2 cups margarine and start mixing them together. The margarine should be at room temperature, otherwise it's a little bit harder to get it, to mix it together. It's easier if you kind of get it between your hands and mix it this way, and at the end you take everything and mix it, make it into one bowl. If you have a mixer, you can always use a mixer, but I prefer to show you that it's possible to make it with your hands too. Very, very oily dough, of course, so you don't have to worry if it's sticking to the sides. Okay, there we go. It's very soft. It's nice to work with. And here we go.